second graders. Today we're talking about Thursday's Back to School Center in Math missing numbers. As you know, if it's too small, you can always go to Zoom and click on 100%. Make sure you scroll up, read the directions very carefully, and begin. This is a drag and drop assignment where you pick the number that you think is the right answer, and you're going to drag it over to the square it belongs in. And you might need to scroll down and scroll back up to find the numbers in this column. Now, if you get stuck and your mouse just isn't doing the right thing, you can always use your up and down arrows, like that, and put it right where you need it. Once you're done, you're going to click the X to save it in Google or share with your teacher. And then you're done.